Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the NSS Charger 2022 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the main switch because it's damaged. First, I want to mention that anytime you mess with anything electrical on the machine, go ahead and unplug your batteries first. Next, we're going to remove the back panel to expose all the electrical components, and then we're going to unhook the battery meter. Okay, inside the panel here, your main switch is right here. We're going to take a pair of needle nose pliers and we're going to remove the leads. Just like that. And now, hold the bottom half of your main switch and loosen the top nut. And now you can take that top nut off. And the switch comes down. Just like that. Now, reverse the steps, get your new switch. Put it back in through the top. Put the new nut on and tighten it back down. Just like that. Now, take your leads, put them back on the switch. Take your back panel, plug your battery meter back in, install the back panel back on the machine, and plug your battery pack back in. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.